play. Let's wash our hands the healthy way.
Turn on the water, nice and slow. Wet your hands, ready, go.
Add some soap, 1 small squeeze, bubbly bubbles, float with ease. Rub your hands, front and back. Keep them clean, you're on track.
Between each finger, nice and slow, tiny bubbles start to grow. Wash your thumbs, round and round, clean little hands. Wash your nails, everyone. Healthy habits are so fun. Rinse with water, splash away, wash the soap without delay.
Take a towel, soft and dry, wave your clean hands way up high. Before we eat, after play, clean hands help us every day.
Wash your hands, hip hooray, healthy habits every day. Come back soon, we'll laugh and play.
Before we eat, after play, clean hands help us every day. Little Melody World 2002 shows the way.